Today's topic is matter. So, matter is anything that occupies space and has a mass is called a matter. All the materials are made up of matter, whether it is your solid such as wood or metal, or a liquid such as water or oil, or even a gas such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, or air. These all materials are matter, right? In fact, birds, animals, human beings, moon, the sun, and the stars even are all the examples of matter. Now moving towards, air is also a matter because air has some mass and it occupies space. To prove this, we will perform some activities. So the first activity is to show that the air has mass. Materials required will be a deflated football, a weighing balance, sand, and a pump. Procedure will be first place a deflated football on the left pan of a weighing balance. Now gradually put some sand on the right pan of the weighing balance until the two pans are balanced. Third, now remove the football from the pan with the help of a pump. Fill the air in the football and place the inflated football again on the left pan and observe your observations. From here you will observe that the pans do not remain balanced now. The pans show that the inflated football has more mass than the sand put on the right pan. That shows that air has mass and we conclude that air has some mass. Moving towards the other activity to show that air occupies space. For this, we required material like a deflated balloon, a piece of chalk and a table. The procedure will be place the deflated balloon on a table, mark the space occupied by the balloon with a chalk. Now fill air into the balloon, place it on the table and again mark the space occupied the inflated balloon and note your observation. From here you will observe that the space occupied by the inflated balloon is more than the space occupied by the deflated balloon. From here we conclude that air also occupies some space and hence we can say that air is also a matter, right? Now the next topic here is water is a matter. Water is also a matter as it occupies some space and has a definite mass. And to prove this, we will do an activity. The aim of the activity is to show that water is a matter. Material required is two similar empty bottles and water. Procedure: take two similar empty bottles, fill one of them with water and leave the other one empty. Lift the bottle with your hands, one bottle in each hand. Which of the two makes you feel heavier? The one filled with the water or the one without the water? Observation from here that the bottle filled with water feels heavier. From here you will conclude that water has mass. It also occupies space inside the bottle. Since water has mass and occupies space, we can say that water is also a matter. So from this activity we also prove that water is also a matter. The basic conditions for objects to be a matter is to they have some mass and occupy space, right?